Now in the last video we studied about gravitation. We described gravitation and we gave this formula F equals to g m1 m2 upon r square, where m1 is the mass of one body, m2 is the mass of the second body, and the distance between them is r. G is called the universal gravitation constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. So today we will do an example, we'll solve an example on this. Let us say that the two bodies of mass m1 m2, let them be earth. Let m1 be the mass of earth, which is equal to 6 into 10 to power 24 kg. m2 be the mass of moon, which is equal to 7.4 into 10 to power 22 kg. Now what does this mean? 6 into 10 to power 24 means this, after 6 there will be 24 zeros. After 7.4 or after 74 there will be 21 zeros. This is the scientific notation. So these are the two masses, mass of earth and mass of moon, and the distance between them, that is the value of r between them, is equal to 3.84 into 10 to power 5 kilometers. Now the first thing that we'll do, we'll convert them into SI units. Like we have already discussed in previous videos, all the units should be in SI system. So kg, mass, is already in SI system. Kilometer is not, the SI unit of distance is meter, so we'll convert this into meter. So 3.84 into 10 to power 5 into 1000, so it will become 3.84 into 10 to power 8 meters. Now having all these values, we'll put these values in the formula and we'll get, this is G into m1, whose value is 6 into 10 to power 24, into value of m2, which is 7.4 into 10 to power 22, divided by r square 10 to power 8 square. Now the easiest way to calculate such kind of long equations is to separate that power of 10 and the remaining numbers. So if we bring all the numbers here, 6.67 into 6 into 7.4 divided by 3.84 into 3.84 into all the powers of 10 on the other side. So 10 to power minus 11 into 10 to power 24 into 10 to power 22 divided by 10 to power 8 square, so it will be 10 to power 16. So this you have to calculate normally like we do in the division, but here we can use the laws of exponents and we can solve this. So that total power of 10 will be minus 11 plus 24 plus 22, and this 10 to power 16, it will come on in the numerator, so the sign of the exponent will change, so it will be minus 16. Now if you calculate this entire expression, the answer should be 2.02 into 10 to power 20 Newton. So this is the force of gravitation between moon and earth. So using this equation we can find everything related with gravitation. So this makes this formula or this concept very important. Now we already studied that the importance of universal law of gravitation, this law of gravitation, is that it allows us to find the force that is there between any two bodies. I already told you that the gravitation force exists between any two bodies of mass which have mass. It depends on the mass whether the body have more gravitation force or the less gravitation force. So it enables us to find the gravitation force between any two bodies. It also enables us to find the gravitation force between planets, and thus it helps us in deciding the motion of planets around the sun and the motion of moons around the planets. Also, we know that there are high tides and low tides in the sea. That is also because of the gravitation force of the sun and moon. So all this system all this information about the solar system and about the universe, about the forces, existing forces between any two particles is found out by this force, universal law of gravitation, and this makes this concept very very important. So make sure that you study it properly, and there should be no doubt left when we are finished with this chapter.